Hello, this is Glenn with Vectors. I'm going to do a quick video on how to set up a survey style for the VRS subscription. I'm going to do this within Trimble Access, of course, and we're going to just get right at it with the settings and survey styles. There's multiple ones already in here. I'm using my emulator here on my computer, but I'm just going to set up a brand new one. You can call this whatever you like. I think VRS with your username or initials, anything like that, what is your personal preference. That's going to be in GNSS style, of course. I'm going to hit enter and just walk right through this. And as you can see, the typical survey styles come up. I'm going to start right at the top with rover options. It is going to be an RTK. Our broadcast format is what we need to change to VRS CMR. And whatever antenna you're using, R8Ss, R10, R10-2s, I'm going to use that. Make sure your antenna and all these settings are, kind of standard operating procedures on how you want to do that with your company's preferences. If you are using R10-2s, I would recommend to go ahead and start tracking these L5s. And unless you purposely want to calibrate and use this tilt function, I often find it best just to not have that on. If you need it, come turn it on, and then you have to kind of calibrate it. But so with that in mind, as I pick that broadcast format, you can see I lose the option for our base, so it knows it's going into a VRS broadcast signal, packet. Going right into our rover data link. Our type is going to be internet connection, and we don't have any currently. I may, but I'm going to set up a new GNSS contact, and this is probably the hardest part of setting up this particular VRS survey style. You need your subscription, your VRS subscription information. I'm just going to come right in here and create a new one. VRS with my initials. Again, you can call it whatever you like. Your network connection does need to be picked as a Wi-Fi or cellular option. And then these are default settings. They come right up. Using ntrip is correct. This is where you would pop in your case-sensitive subscription username and case-sensitive subscription password. The IP address is, it needs to be plugged in as www.vrsnow.us. And again, 2101 is the port. We enter that information and we store that. I'm not connecting directly to a mount point. We can, but that's kind of a secondary thing. I'm just going to store this as it is, and you can see here it is, the one we just created. I'm going to highlight that and accept it. And now that's in there as part of the survey style. If you have multiple subscriptions and you click this, it will allow you to pick between whichever one you want. So that is a handy option to have and know about. And at this point, the VRS subscription survey style is already set up. There's a couple things I would recommend, but let's just store this. And you can see it right here. If I click on it, I can come here and edit, and it holds those settings that we just created just fine. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us here at Vectors. You can reach out to us directly. Make sure you visit our website. There's lots of great information, and we hope you guys have just an awesome day. Thank you.